I got a new message on my dash. It says tire pressure low. I don't know what to do. Something that I gotta learn again. So here we go. Hi, today I'm gonna be going to the tire center again because, as you know, my tire pressure is low. So I'm gonna try to figure it out today. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully somebody there, is nice enough to help me. But for now, I'm on my own. I'm gonna try to figure it out and we'll go from there. Wish me luck. How are you?
Good.
I'm getting a tire pressure low. I'm not sure what to do. I never done it before.
Okay.
I think it's this one here.
Actually, it might be.
So it says it's currently at 212 right now. Would you mind showing me so I can do it myself next time?
Yeah, no, I'll show you. Yeah, so
Yeah.
this right here, obviously, is like where it says the pressure, what's recommended for your vehicle.
Okay.
So don't follow the first number. You always want to go by the PSI.
Okay.
So 36.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just hit the plus until you get, obviously, plus is higher, and then minus to subtract, right?
Okay.
So 36.
Okay.
So it's set.
Okay.
So now we'll go over here.
So I can just pick that up anytime, right?
Yeah, you can just pull up and just do it yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Take this off. Take the cap off. So ours is kind of like this, where if it's up like this, it won't go on. So you have to slide it down, put it on, and then push up. You'll hear the air go in,
Okay.
and then you'll hear the beep. So that means that it's done.
Okay.
Take that off, put the cap back on, and then you'll just do the same process for the other 3 tires.
Okay.
Take off the green cap, and then remember, so you'll want to slide it down, so you'll have it kind of like showing like that.
Mm-hmm.
On, down. You'll hear the air go in, and then you'll hear the beep. So that
Nice.
means it's
Okay.
done. Pretty straightforward.
It's looks easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's easy.
Perfect.
It's easy.
Perfect.
I believe in you. You'll be good.
Thank you so much.
welcome. Have a good day.
So that's it. Thank you so
That's
much.
it.
Appreciate
Good.
it. God
No
bless.
problem.
Yeah. Okay, I just finished filling up my tires, so somebody helped me out. They're really, really nice about it. They actually did it for me, and guess what? It's free. I got free air. Yay! So you know that Costco offers free air. Like, who doesn't like free air, right? Like, why pay $1 for air? It's air. Like, really? Save your money. Go to Costco. Get your membership. I'm really, really appreciative of, how kind people are. I feel blessed every time I come across people that are just so willing to help. I just want to say again, thank you for that angel who helped me fill up my tires. Thank you for helping me. I'm really in awe of people who are just willing to help and, would stop what they're doing to help you. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, there should be more people like that. So help as much as you can and make somebody's day, Everybody needs help sometimes, right? So yeah. So anyways, I learned something new today, and I know how to do it next time. And as well as I truly appreciate people who are just, helpful and willing to help somebody like me who doesn't know, who's never done, dealt with car stuff before. So thank you, whoever you are. Thank you so much.